can see a little bit improvement, especially in case that your AI design is turned on and you can use AI design. You should have good CPU and lots of RAM to do this. Many times systems with 16 gigabytes of RAM doesn't runs well. I prefer at least 32 megabytes of RAM and a recent i7 or i9 processor. Okay, the process of design is not much different from the previous version. It's almost the same, but I see some improvements, especially as I told in automatic calculation of restorations. It's far better and it's far powerful than the previous version. Right now you can see, in case that we have color scan, defining the margins are more accurate and we have better margin detection. You can have your own direction of insertion, or you can rely on software's suggestion, and after that, in case that you have AI or you can augment it, you can do it by automatic calculations. You will have almost good results in most cases. In this case, as you can see, the teeth is not in proper direction and it needs to be rotated a little bit. So we cannot rely totally on design of software, but in many cases, as I see in this week, you can trust on the design. And of course, you can have a minor improvement on your design, or you can alter the design or design it from scratch. That's your choice. But roughly maybe 70% of designs are good, not excellent, but good, and it's usable. You can use it for a full contour restoration. So I think it's a big improvement for artificial intelligence in dental CAD softwares, and you can trust in software to do many simple cases. And of course, in future years, maybe you can do this with complex cases. But right now, I think in single units, you can trust the software and calculations. Okay, and I prefer to have margins near the cervical margins a little bit softened, because you have little, in case that you have little roughness, it will result in bacterial accumulation and plaque retention. So it's better to have hygienic margins. But in parts, in the upper parts, it's better to have anatomy and grip for the food. In case that we make it soft, the grip for the food is ruined and the patient will not happy with result of function. Okay, as you can see, we can finalize the restoration and generate CAD. You can send it for any milling that you are going to use, and we have perfect results. Thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope you enjoyed the new update that's made by 3shape. And I hope someday we could trust the softwares to have full mouth restorations. Good day, everyone. See you. Wait for next teaching lessons. Bye for now.